there were multiple times where I would go because I just needed a place to be with the horse.
Yeah.
Yeah, a place to be by myself.
Yeah.
And by myself, but not by myself.
Yeah.
Where I had support in the form of this relationship with the animal. And my mentality was, I just want to go and hang out with the horse. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I don't want to deal with these things anymore. So the most challenging part is saying yes to myself. And what did get me through is actually saying yes to the horse. That's the relationship that kept me going, that bond with the horse, which is absolutely a part of the program. And that's beautiful because then you have another piece of support that's actually working with you when you feel like you can't anymore.
Oaks Restorative Ranch is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that pairs horse rescue, rehabilitation, and care with mental health services for children, youth, and adults. We offer sessions that help people work through past and present struggles and help them develop skills like trust, communication, and boundaries. Our mission is to walk through healing with individuals, honor and value horses who have been left behind, and to act as a catalyst for restoration in the community. Sessions are always free to allow access to mental care services for those who would not usually be able to afford them.
Having gone through those motions helps me to say, okay, Natalie, you've done it before, and after you do it, you feel better about yourself. The biggest victory was the piece of identity, being more confident in who I am, and getting to rest in that. I experienced tremendous healing. The horse experienced tremendous healing, and we had a really lasting bond. And the challenges don't go away. I think that's the most important part to realize. There are easy days, there are harder days, and it's important to say yes to yourself and to show up. The program helped me to build that pattern, to continue saying yes.
People were never meant to heal alone. You know, I think the beautiful thing about that is we don't want to heal with other people because people are the ones who hurt us in the first place. But horses are innocent and pure and lovely, and they just love you with their whole hearts, and so it's much easier to say, I'll heal with you. I see that you're broken and I'm broken. Let's be broken together. I think that's really, really special. And watching that bond with you and your session horse was just one of the most surreal and beautiful bonds and moments that I've seen.
Thinking back on it, I think there are a lot of proud moments, and I felt like I had succeeded in something. It was like a wash of relief.
We have this one session where we actually have the client paint the horse. We usually do this one with kids, but adults love it too. We tell them to think of something big or scary that happened. Then they recreate the situation on the horse through colors and pictures, and then we talk about each part. That's when I explain about love. Love chases away fear. It always wins. And water represents love, at least in this case. And together we wash away whatever was big and scary. Sometimes it takes some scrubbing, but life is like that sometimes. It's important to remember the power of love and that you don't need to walk through these things alone. That's why we have each other.
The impacts of the program still unfold parts of me that I didn't realize were healed and give me a confidence because I've addressed certain things through those sessions. But it sort of set the trajectory for me. And not something that was unexpected, just the lasting, profound impact that I had.
Sorry.
I don't think I knew what I was getting into. I just knew that I was very supportive of Callie's vision, Callie's dream, and it was very unexpected I felt like I was in a position to give. I actually received a lot more than what I believe I actually gave to the program. I received a lot of healing, areas that I didn't anticipate needed to be healed. It was a very deep and thorough process, and that was a very profound experience that will have lasting effects throughout my entire life.
Did you hear her nicker at you? She got it! Good girl!